Hi, GC News. Bima Olivia Akwaba. The latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. And so when you subscribe, Omodia say over subscribe. Now like no share video. You say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. Where the side video be upload with the first person on Africa a video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here and summer coso, I walk on a memoir. I feel young share and summer abeto your proso. Yet, yes, Uncle Moya El Coso, yet, and some way.
Yes, Alan, we are going heavy. Hey, no, Makakuso, no mobile. Alan can say, no, Mafa. Oh, yes, say, no, Mafa. Oh, man, is qualified. One man, then, Cromha. Messi Alan, Cromha. One man is qualified. Cromha. Oh, Radin Akufo. Oh, Bawumia never qualified. I contest here. Alan never qualified. Bawumia to Benny Alan. What are you talking about? Yeah, me say Alan Chenda. The plan is to disqualify. Me say peace council for some the Muti. Muka and happy. You have to Cromati. I'm not for Bodaman as it. But disqualify Alan. What? Maybe Alan Yadu
and disasters, however.
Huh?
This complication. Why? Maybe I can spell.
Mr. Munamoka, I'm watching.
Captain at yours here.
I swear God. And come who say yes. Come and say it belongs to the people.
Which people?
Ghanaian people.
And a butterfly.
Ghanaian people.
Butterfly.
Captain, I think my bomb is red. Say no to Agyapadie. What is it?
Why are woman be? Say no to Agyapadie.
Member 50. That was if you say. Wo beti me dia ye na omo mu person
you say no to Agyapadie.
Yes.
No say no to Agyapadie.
That's right. We need to stop this.
We look about
what a strategy. Me, I don't fear. I don't fear. Because this is the book. Capture it again. I'm not for share dance steady yet. Last oh, I have a book way na absa a woman. Let me give you the background of this book. The book came first in 2016. The title of the book was Asase.
That's right.
Asase. NPP bar power. Or more implementing ya Drew baby no 2020. I know more revising.
Could be Asase TV FM cry. And almost so the Asase logistics.
Tama or more be Asase radio no. I don't say hey. I be confirm book no. I don't say some book no title from Asase to Agyapadie. 2020. She book nachi. What shall I say? Date be na was ya no.
AD 2020.
AD 2020. Nti 2020 no revise sa book we. May 2019 me kwa ko file ma yi no. Eye absa bankers draft. Adam de file ye. It is a more revise we. Bibo, what revise we 2020 ah. Adenti na absa ba mu a. We say fake. Those people have not analyzed the book.
But still, I'm disqualified.
Number two. Wamudi ba Agyapadie no. Ma senior yibiamo. Omo fanto so na me nche Ghana fo ade. Me se court na yekodo ho. It is an opportunity for hwe certificate.
Asase
royalties limited. Book no ba Asase. Asase royalties limited. E do no omudi ba beje ye royalties ye minerals ni ade ni nyina. So omo ne tie no. Now, August 2020. Ebra sa ye
kanina.
Me pesa Ghana 40 years. Kanina oh, quantum there no problem. Nyambe go ho the voice explosives ebe ko hodum no. One person obo say yes, obo try wrong meat. What you say? Wa mo change Asase radio na afa mo change way no. And omo call UK Justice Commission. Wa mo ko change it no. Captain, kindly was wrong. Where they started from? I hereby satisfy. Say ubetima hu so a naka yen kan I hereby certify that Asase Royalties Limited so ayin no mintibi hu kan say me kan so we no have been changed to Agyapadie Royalties Limited. Honorable Adongoti say honorable ebra Womode ayi ba say ye minerals omo mo behwe ho asem ne ne kai ga ho no eye din be ne ba ye Agyapa royalties anamewa eda ne da ho no na ya gege ahu obo mo ye directors of this ye ka dey say Agyapa royalties be say Ghana court wo ho e ho be ye de
me da ase
what be ye
oh when you intro chairman intro kakra bi o say nyum ne ye mama no what's for intro to
can say Akufo-Addo by recently. Also the one this or the but free SHS eba. And then it could group you know. People were saying say we don't have enough accommodation. And then people were saying say why don't you build new schools? And now or say new schools saying Oko atimota omo asase kakraka da ho. Oko preseka omo asase kakraka da ho. Uko ai school ya uko e prepare na uko ever
me ko apam secretary
apam kromo asase kakraka da ho obia so a wawo ne ba person ne ba ko sa school akese bi ni me dem ko kwari secondary school wo ko ni pam pe ko and okra no ni e wasase da ho until why don't we expand and accommodate until President Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia, I'm fire no more day. Saturday Napo was the education minister. And increase, improve expanding accommodation in all this
university
don't come on no and now hon samra ni be
what's it ba ko pe no
university ba ko nanko wa good propaganda
I am in charge of the show or say answer okay why are you gagging him
I am talking about the background. Then we improved and expand. Friends, there is a huge infrastructure. We develop, expand this school. Presec the same, Prempe same, this school same. Go to all the big schools, same. Senka President Akufo-Addo, Obia. I can see free and friends and school can be a good room on the friends e blocks a good room Ankola entimi enante enko even the almost school room no krano a good for by most of them akoye your friend saying accommodation any day schools be President Akufo-Addo now, at that time, I was the chairman for Hours. The total student population in Legon was 7,000.
Also not highly.
What he did was improve infrastructure there. And on the map, President Akufo student population from 7. Or they call office near 35 or 40,000 students. Me, sir, instruction of this or no, and they could pay a review of Kropo and ask people so baby. No, was a Akufo International University.
NCB simple.
It was just that.
So expanding that
no. We share. Oko expanding Rich Hospital. Ground say we have what the name baby as obi area on fan the back emra. Obi area on Rich Hospital.
No, but President before the university.
Yes,
he started the university.
I'm coming. I am making. I am say. And I'm making
admission. In part 290 and a koye. Rollins a UDS. Kufo ebe ye. Mines College University Takwa into 8 years Rollins here UDS 8 years President Akufo Takwa 8 years Mahama Mills Omusimiensa Nana Ado Bawumia mu university wo he one
your friends could be Takwa your friends could be University of Mines
and Akufo ni si
Neba
Akufo
Meba. School, it was not Kufo. It was existed for a long time.
It was a university Kufo.
It has existed for a long time.
No problem. University College of Education.
I said, what can I say?
At the University of Science and Technology.
Thank you. So he's confirming what I'm saying.
A new university.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So, yes.
I said, what can I say? Accra Poly. Say Accra.
Jeffrey.
Oh, I'm coming. And so I can't say Accra Poly. While he converted into university, no. Mahama. No, it was Mills. And what can I say, Mills?
And what the other?
No.
What the
Technical investors.
What the emphasis? What the emphasis?
In the 8 years, no problem.
Factor Mahama. Or the Mahama the be on the year. Or the factor Mills. Who said no?
No. In the 8 years. We are looking at the 8 years. Rollins. First NDC 8 years. First MPP 8 years. Second NDC 8 years. Second MPP 8 years.
What the say?
Obiasi University. Nana Bawumia mu University wa hi.
You see, Oko Akomanda a friend say
Dakwa de na okay.
Not Dakwa. Dakwa de na marry yempo.
No,
how it evolved and today it is a university.
Now be Akufo-Addo dia.
No.
It was on a card Akufo-Addo.
I am still on it.
Simple question, my simple
answer. The hospital.
Okay. Then let's hope a simple answer. Maybe I wanted to let people know what it is.
My yebi.
Me catch us here yebi. When me catch us so call friends wa. Your friend baby, your friend no Akomanda wa Francho. That's one beautiful university. Constructed from grass. There's one beautiful university. Parliament, and don't tell me you don't know.
University, the beautiful university.
Don't tell me you don't know that there is a university there. Don't tell me you don't know there is a university.
The same.
You started free. You started free. A friend is saying. Quiet. And the infrastructure there. And this is the
what is the name?
And this is the most starting.
The same.
Now.
Why was you university?
What is your problem? Who's him? We are a member of parliament. You were there when the bills for that university establishment came, and you are telling me you don't know.
Ref is schooling. No problem. Another new beautiful.
Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you another thing. We have opened several other campuses.
Okay, so
we have opened several other campuses. And Akufo-Addo Dankwa International University. I could see a new place. But it is prudent to make sure say
your mama see me or so many there.
Who order? Go and check the status now. You don't expect me to praise you. Correct hold there no. So I call and say.
Ho mu na mo see.
Say you see here. Me busa someone na mo see. Who go see also for university. Go and see what we have done. And I make it sure say you propaganda. That's why I come from propaganda.
Chairman. Jubilee House Kufo na chassis. Meals be mobile touch.
We commissioned it. We were there.
That's right.
You were there actually.
Oh, that's right. I was there.
Meals there.
That's right.
Baby, Meals anthem.
Answer now.
Meals anthem. No way.
Oh,
Jubilee House now.
What's wrong?
Who named this flag server?
What's wrong?
It was Jubilee. Mills, Kwaku Annan the whole thing on free do Bahama, friends of Mama, Kwaku Annan the whole thing.
Okay, what
free had
Mills was.
There was Mama, hello, Mills,
flag servers.
Hey,
he was the president of flag servers. Why is it?
Okay, Chairman.
Who the hospital? Your friends, the university come on now.
Mills. Okyehene not that Jubilee friends
university I work was struggle. University of local government. I don't know what will be November this year according to that address. Say Omusi November this year and Omubewie. Eti enshas here Omufa ni.
I am Bisan Chairman. Tell me before question.
Eti me
do on come on. Me do on.
When wabaya
ene mabo ana me wa
do abro.
Abani di obi abro.
This is the second time we never try how bunu animals. Obetra Habusa hospital.
I will not take this statement from you.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. But sa na Obusa na. Hospital na mtie bio.
Dey tell say.
Hospital na mtie. Omunim say na say omukoko.
Omari wa dey onye government official.
Omunim say na say omukoko.
Onye government official.
Onye party member.
No.
deputy CEO.
Mami come in so.
Deputy CEO. Which one your government official?
Mami come in so.
On your government official.
What the catch? Deputy CEO.
I heard him say a commission.
I hear deputy CEO.
Captain.
I hear on your deputy CEO.
Find out. What the deputy CEO for Ghana Post? Find out.
I am board member.
Me say find out. They are a board member. Deputy CEO.
Now who the brand now they say some.
Me say find out. Where deputy CEO and now your board member.
On a demand. On a pay a minimum.
I don't know.
No, I am board member. Boateng.
Oh,
deputy Boateng.
Captain man.
Me a member.
Why am I catching your deputy CEO?
I am board member. I am deputy CEO.
That's how the crowd.
Let the man. There's a board member. Bibianka Humbi. Mankasi CEO. Mankasi secretary. Member
of the board.
Ghana Post. Hold on, give me post.
Oh, yeah, board member.
Let the be a post. Open web.
Yes or no?
As long as it's a.
We are not paying call issues.
As long as it's a meal.
Hot news.
Bogatanga Regional Hospital. Okay, say John Mahama Commission 2016.
2016 November.
Yes. Nancy almost see much at all. Go off a file. Eco Commission.
Oh, how Debbie. And woman, yes, sir.
Missing
commission much.
And much no so a commission hospital in Namina catch on.
Oh, that's a Tamale hospital there.
Mr. Boga
Regional Hospital. November 2016.
Your friend say I can say or make him watch it. No near say Mbiano. Or buy a hospital now so a commission.
Oh, how?
Until my route me the county no.
Yanko manifesto say
before it's never true. The friend said Bogatanga. What's the name for Bogatanga? Regional Hospital.
Yes.
What time see
when me say it was renovated. It was
now region said Ridge Hospital.
Most of them renovate why?
No, Ridge Hospital.
No, Ridge
them renovated why?
Chairman Bisawa Sam say Ridge Dina Mahama C and den see dying for fro see Ridge Hospital in China and now renovating for
project somewhere Yankasa a greenfield project
Jamra Health. Almost every hospital, government hospital you go to, almost, I didn't say all, you see something new. Machines, equipment, improvements.
Honorable
Me say almost every
my intent because hospitals are Ghana no above 100 it's my intent.
You my 10.
Maybe oh yes, you them my
Mimi Chrome. Yeah, well, your friend is saying at TB hospital for nothing at all. Last
TB government hospital.
TB government hospital. I went there and I was shocked what I saw. Me call Nkwetia. I went there. I was shocked what I saw. When Nkwetia. And no, there's a video. I say district hospital. The equipment that we saw, because I would say the enemy. Me catch you. Me can't. I had it.
It's a chance to come.
Kokolebu. Kokolebu.
When yeah, Kokolebu.
Me call ye. Me no me near Kolebu.
Kolebu he department me.
Uko wache.
David me call one chair. It's a Mr. Kolebu department.
Okay, we are yache.
Me yare here de ache. Ma me call Kolebu chair.
Dabe na call.
Oh, chairman, Kolebu no here.
He na call ye.
Oh,
emergency.
Kolebu
ana cardio. Ana call your friends you are on friends you baby
chairman.
Sesa.
O de eni die kwanso. Yesu di. Kolebu department be ya.
I can mention about 5. Kolebu. Apart from machines and equipment, new ones they are back.
Yeah, department and equipment, new ones.
Apart from machines, new ones and equipment are back. Mr. Free, sir, I'm oxygen plant. New one. Oxygen plant, new one. Kolebu. Opa Antonja. Opa Medimay better over where it is.
What did I do?
Then I would.
Chairman, then I pass all the toes.
Come the may to so the way you are.
Sir, oxygen plant was I
new oxygen plant.
I had a hospital. What's I had
and you see it.
Hey, Radde. Afraid of your
no, Chairman, what's in oxygen plant? New
one.
What's I had
new one.
One gazette the scene at the Jani Ogiga.
You see.
Nada yeko.
Chairman.
Yeko.
Chairman.
Chairman.
Me presenter. Zeto Diana me person me no be me dey see me busa question.
And now no be me better hano na o say me phone
no me
any the man no akin kai ya be kai man what be kin kan na me any here ni nyina ma print we education we hospital we
Kwalebu oxygen plant no say one is see
I feel what you to say oh
I feel what you to say when they see here when they see
Akufo-Addo and Akufo-Addo.
Mpacho, a ministry, department, agency, budget.
Me catch us here compare data infrastructure, and I've mentioned one more car almost University of Medical Hospital. I almost see what Mama is here.
Chairman, Pacho, any rights?
Was that bad done by Mama?
Pacho, any rights?
Professor Mills, NPP.
Was that okay, Professor Mills? And the question said, "When you found the
vice president.
Mahama vice president Mills say president. Now you see University of Ghana for Obina proposal about say University of Ghana Lombusia. Mahama na Mills. Akufo-Addo there. No at time. Say compare funding, so compare loan, so compare facility no the Syria and Akufo-Addo hospital. Me say you cannot compare. Me say about infrastructure, about health, education.
I can challenge you say, and ya bind the sea. Look, you call Confonache, you ne you can say CEO Kokasai. Confonache ankasa edinisika, NC oxygen plant no. Other kolebumu ya. Want to know it will be better because the way omo rent adeno in the day no. Omo si omo dia eye. Etu omo di omo ankasa omo funding. Aba mu dia si ma metra han nutrient ro bia wa ha.
On this platform, there's no beans of me say there's no beans of Copa Memo a friends and see the number. Someone number friend. No amount the list of projects are and me say and under me say second term people not first term rank on second term. I'm privy to most of them. That's why I'm talking like this. I deliberately went round
infrastructure roads.
What's the
Chama family mobile.
Hospitals. They don't want to me. No, about 190.
They did that for me.
Pacho document way is coming from Honorable Omari Wade.
They did that for me,
Debbie. I say hospital sir. I buy way buy
What shall
worry.
About 190 projects, some completed, some ongoing.
Oh, Nyabutre.
Thank you.
Some in cash. Okay.
I did Tom Shashi.
Ejuma Kobesiase, Gomoa de Rampon, Biriwa, Eti Sunkwa, Bempon Eja, Jamra, Mancron, a Confede, a Kumfinakwa, any Gomoa potting.
Hospitals.
I say yes.
These are Eurojet projects.
Oh, man, send what document you know? Oh,
Eurojet projects.
Those are the Eurojet projects.
The ramp.
Somebody was going to say something. Obi said that be a Eurojet.
The ramp. Oh, me papa club need the ramp. Jai. Oh, that's man okay. Nana Kwame wa fa the ramp on and say uncle. Eti Jai. Oh, yeah, where. Chairman. But I won't show you anymore. Page 1 now. Said about IB Adam Bobby at where construction and equipment of 10 polyclinics in the central region.
Construction
Western region.
Number 2,
15.
Construction and completion of 5 polyclinics in Greater Accra region. Chairman.
And only do duao.
Obojo. A shaman. Botiano.
But date
Oduman.
Date completion now.
Chairman, date January 17. When the say 27, we watch on the full. Ebia ye full, but we January mpatwe bia na me na me hu ne ye.
Na no be church obi aka wa.
We January 2016.
Commencement date.
January 17. There be what's a construction and completed.
Commencement date and completion date. Chairman. Commencement and
2018.
Commencement and funding.
Chairman.
Vanef.
Chairman. Brofuya
Parliament.
Come to the capture. Or say, Patromunya Butana interior. Or say, construction and equipment of 10 polyclinics in the central region. And the was today. Uba say, I say, construction and completion of 5 polyclinics in the greater Accra region. Obojo, Ashaman, Botiano, Oduman, and Sege.
Campaign at Osio.
Na Waba. Where are they?
Oh, first central region, set date is or date.
Central region, then almost Omuye.
Starting 2016.
Omuye, no, that be completion. Omuye, January 2016. Nyamina Metroye.
Akufo-Addo na president.
Oh, I know, Chairman. Commencement 2016.
I know 2018.
Completion January 2018.
Yes.
Oh, Chairman. Oh, 2016.
No.
Chairman. January 2016. Now
January 2016.
Data, forgive me. I am crossing the cameras. Forgive me. This is date of date
commencement 2016 January and completed in 2018.
Yeah, can't dear by let's one mommy document, one at the mommy. And also date of commencement. A year 2016
January
2016
and was completed in 2018. What is your problem?
Chairman, you are right. On the 28th. But January 2016, one and a wabem.
It was Mahama.
December 2016, one and a wabem.
It was Mahama.
Okay. The one they say was
no problem.
Completed in 20.
Chairman.
The next one here.
Chairman,
the next one here. Okay, you know.
It's what you assess when you want to start.
I have not said when starting.
Fantastic.
That's why I gave the number with dates. So next one here.
Next one here.
2017 completion.
Construction and completion. Moshasio. And a movie. 2017. 5 polyclinics.
Yes, 2017 completed in
2017. January 17.
Date of commencement. Allow me to do my work. He presented this document to me, not to you. Second lane January 2017. January 17. January 17.
Yeah, no man for year na show.
Which year? 2016 year na to aso. January 17. Okay.
Afraid be vomit.
Chairman. Chairman, third one. Ghana for third lane. Chairman, date where date be? 2016 April. But what's the say? Date of commencement April 2016. Now
Mahama.
Got the next one.
No, this is the
Chairman number 4. Chairman number 4. Where July saying
When?
No, I know.
July 2015. Yanko lane 5.
No, I don't want to commencement. No, commencement.
Completion.
I'll show you. We are that's why we have told you. When they start here, if you go further, they start here.
Honorable member.
Yes, next one. Starting next one.
Point number 5. April 16. Year in Shavo. But date of commencement, April 16. It's where 2015 I said there. Where year 2016 I said there. What I say?
Rich.
Now rich I what?
Me say I will rich.
Now rich why you do rich?
Completion.
Chairman. What I was saying rich. Thank you, honorable member. Sorry I crossed the camera.
No, it's for we and some abeto so. Because this so and our head no. So we can subscribe here. But what you say over subscribe. So say had the latest and hot news in Ghana the Bremo. After we are now like video na share more for so any be na one share. Also bit me actually what you fire and some way na work comment box no. Over to interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.